Hey guys, if your voice chat or mic isn't working in Call of Duty Black Ops 7 on PS5, I'll show you a quick way to fix it using just the in-game audio settings. First, open settings in Black Ops 7 and go to audio. Then scroll down to voice chat. Make sure voice chat is on. If it's off, you won't hear or talk to anyone. Next, check the input device and make sure your microphone is selected. The wrong device will stop your voice from being detected. Then go to game chat settings and confirm game chat is enabled. If you want, turn on proximity chat to hear players nearby. If your mic is too quiet, raise the microphone volume, and if your mic isn't picking up your voice, lower the mic threshold so it detects you better. Once these settings are correct, your mic and voice chat should be working perfectly. And that's it, quick and easy. Give this video a like if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more fixes like this. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.